Do you know how people like Robert Kiyosaki, Rohn, and Eric Worre make money without owning shops, offices, or factories? They do it by recommending a product or a service, and when someone buys it, they get paid. This is called network marketing. It's a business model where you earn income by sharing products or services you already use and trust. You don't create the product. You don't handle delivery. You simply connect people to value. Here's a simple example. You recommend a product to a friend. They buy it. You earn a commission. Companies love network marketing because it's powered by people, not expensive advertising. You earn through direct commissions, referral, or team bonuses, leadership rewards, and sometimes residual income. It's based on trust, referrals, and real experiences. The more value you help create, the more you earn. Influential people like Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, support network marketing for financial education. Rohn, one of the greatest motivational speakers of all time, started in network marketing. He went on to mentor global leaders, including Tony Robbins. Eric Worre is one of the world's top network marketing trainers. He has trained millions of people globally and built one of the biggest education platforms in the industry. Companies like Amway, Herbalife, Forever Living, Oriflame, and Mary Kay all use network marketing. These are global brands, not small experiments. Network marketing is not about selling. You don't need experience. You don't need a big budget. What you need is willingness to learn. Consistency. And the right mindset. If you want more content on hustling, business, and making money online, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment below.